Hello, I'm in a 2015 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, we will make sure our vehicle is turned on, which this currently is. And then from your display here, you can do select phone from your home screen. And then if there's a lot of phones here, you might need to delete one first. So let's say this needs to go away. I need to go back actually. So remove, and then you would select the phone, and then yes. So now that device is removed. So now there's more space, but you can add a phone, and then from your device, you want to make sure this blue is on, this symbol shows your Bluetooth's on, and usually if you press and hold, it'll open up your pairing menu. So now we're going to look for Toyota Highlander, as it says, which just popped up. Sometimes it might take a few tries. You might need to restart your phone. It's got this random PIN number it wants to confirm, which yes, they're the same. And that's it. Now my phone is synced up to the car. So now I should be able to take calls, listen to music, all those sorts of things. So have maps. But that's it. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.